Hello my loves, it's Casual Plannerista 101. Today I am planning in my casual planner, which is Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. I was flipping through sticker books in my Christmas collection to kind of see what I wanted to use. I looked at the new Winter Wonderland from Live Love Posh, and I thought possibly that would be a good one to do, but then I decided to go with something less traditional and less known, which was one of the Recollections sticker books. So I started going through them to see which one I wanted to use. And this is the peppermint one, but I think I'm not going to be using that one. I'll do something else. Some of these are just so beautiful, I cannot get enough. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you enjoy, and if you're coming back to plan with me, welcome back. I'm so glad you came to spend some time. So here we go. I'm going to be using the Classic Christmas from Recollections, and I think I want to use some tags. The minute I saw those tags, I wanted to go ahead and use them because they're just so, some of them are so beautiful, and the spread will be just so different, right? So I'm just adding tags all over and kind of layering them up. And I thought that might be a fun way of incorporating them into a spread. And when you place them like this, especially in a happy planner, they practically look as if this was a big planner and you're using happy planner stickers, right? They kind of fit the same way where you have a lot of room around them. So if you're using a classic size happy planner and you want that effect, you can use those. So I'm just moving some boxes. There. I just wanted a full green spread, like everything green, and maybe like tiny bits of reds here and there as decoration, but overwhelmingly green in general. Okay, so I picked up all of those tags. They're really beautiful. And now I don't know what to do. Okay, let's add that in a corner because that's also so beautiful. And I can write something in there, like so. Okay, let's see. There's so many pretty things in here. Okay, and I am starting to add these. I just want them kind of all over. So I'm adding all of these things, and they're in such a beautiful, vibrant green color. Like when I think of green, this is the color I think of. It's like very alive and beautiful. So I'm just adding lots and lots of those green little strips, and I'm gonna go from there. And I'm making sure I'm not putting more than one saying on the page because they do repeat. They have like a limited amount of them. There we go. So I have mistletoe and holly. There we go. Tis the season. And I'm gonna go ahead and add love, peace, and joy to my sidebar. Yep, like so. I think that looks good. Cozy and warm. believe, jolly, celebrate, rejoice, Noel. So I'm just kind of having fun with those, filling in the gaps, and I'll be writing in my plans all around these. So I'm gonna be kind of playing Tetris here. And I'm adding more of them because I want a few more in my spread. So we have Holiday Cheer, Winter Wonderland, and I'm gonna add it kind of across this and see how that will look. I actually like it, so I'm gonna leave it. And then Merry Christmas across that one. I think those look good. And then I'm gonna place Let It Snow underneath this one, so it's almost like it's coming out from there. There. And then Happy Holidays. And then only a few more things to do, I think, and I will be all done. So all I want to add is some kind of checklists or bullet points or something. I was also thinking about adding boxes, but I don't think that's a good idea because it's gonna take away from all of these little tags. So I'm gonna grab those snowflake checklists, and I'm gonna only grab green ones and kind of the teal color, and I'm gonna place them all over the page, and we'll see how it looks. And they're tiny, so even if you don't have a lot during the day, that's kind of enough to, for me, I always have at least 4 things that I need to do a day, so I will figure this out, I'm sure. So they're very, very different spread, right? Especially for me, my spreads are usually pretty easy and light and not too busy lately. But this one is really full of busyness in itself. So I'm just adding more and more checklists. So I think I'm gonna move that and then add the checklist and then put this in a different place. Maybe like so. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks better. So we are all done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And we kicked off the first holiday spread. Thanks for spending time with me. Have a great week. Bye.